पुढे. Good morning. Hello. My voice is audible? Yes.
Yes,
Yes
sir.
is there? Okay.
Yes, sir.
Hello. Hello.
Yes,
Yes, sir.
Okay. Screen is visible to all.
yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
In second section, uh, we are dealing with the pneumatics. In first section, just we have take a recap. In hydraulics, we study the introduction to hydraulic system and hydraulic actuators, where we see introduction of fluid power system, hydraulic actuator, seals and packing, and cushioning effect. Then we see the second chapter, that is the pump, accumulator, intensifier, and valves. All these are related to the hydraulic circuit, its type, its construction, its working, its application. Then we see the different hydraulic circuit for particular applications. There are certain circuits, those are used widely, or those are preferred widely to perform some specific kind of operation, like a regenerative circuit, sequencing circuit. Means, in case of hydraulic circuit, there are n number of operations, but you have to perform that operation sequentially. Under that category, you go for the sequencing circuit, right? Likewise, we study different circuit for the in chapter third hydraulic circuit. Now, the second section, it is mainly deal with pneumatics. The unit number 4, it will be the introduction to the pneumatic system and actuators. Now, what is the pneumatic? What is the difference between hydraulic and pneumatic? Anybody can explain? What is the hydraulic and what is the pneumatic? Yes, tell me the difference.
Sir, in hydraulics, oil or liquid?
One by one. Okay. In hydraulics,
Liquid or oil is
hello,
used.
liquid or oil is used as a working substance, right? In case of a hydraulic system. And in pneumatic,
Air or gases.
air or gases are to be used as a working substance, right? So that will become under the category of the pneumatics. Means whatever the pneumatic is to be concerned, we are using air or any kind of a gas as a working substance. Especially we are preferring air because air it will contain all kind of gases, right? So air will be used as a working substance in case of the pneumatic system. Now, what is the difference? We will. This is the main difference related to the working substance, right? What will be the another difference in case of hydraulics and pneumatics? Whether oil is compressible? Yes, oil is compressible or not?
No.
Oil is incompressible, right? It is based on Pascal's law, right? Working fluid must be incompressible one, right? But in case of pneumatic system, air we are using as a working substance, but it is a compressible one. Are you getting? So, in order to build up the pressure, right, we require compressed air in order to carry out certain kind of the work by using the pneumatic system, right? So to carry out the work, we require the pressurized air, and to pressurize air, we require certain type of the devices. It is called as a compressors. So in this system, introduction to the pneumatic system and actuator, we see what is the pneumatic system, what are the advantages, limitations, and applications of the pneumatic system. Then we discuss the comparison of hydraulic and pneumatic system. Also, there are certain symbols for particular devices. Those are used in a pneumatic system. We can use the specific symbol for this pneumatic system. Then, it is all related to the introduction to the pneumatic system. The second part of this chapter, that is the actuators. It is the pneumatic cylinders and air motors, where as like in a hydraulic, we are using the cylinders. Cylinders are the linear actuators, and air motors are the rotary actuators. Which kind of the cylinders we are using in case of a pneumatic? Which kind of air motors we are using in case of a pneumatic? We have to see the construction and working and different types of the cylinders and air motor in case of actuators. That will be dealing with the first chapter. Are you getting? Now, second section is quite similar to the hydraulic system, but the difference is that we have to use the working medium, right? In case of a hydraulics, we are using liquid or oil as a working medium, and in case of a pneumatics, we are using air or gases as a working medium. So that is the main difference. Second, that is the we make regarding the pressure range, right? We have to work out the hydraulic system up to 500 to 700 bar, but pneumatic system can be applicable for the system up to near about 9 bar pressure. So that is the main difference of the working pressure in case of a hydraulics and pneumatics. Likewise, we will study first of all, you write the name of the chapter and content of the this chapter, whatever the you are observing on a slide. Write down second section, unit number 4, introduction to pneumatic system and actuator, and these are the contents of that chapter. Take some 5 minutes, write down the content of this chapter. Is it over? Hello? Is it over? Hello? Prajwal, is it over?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So this is the content of our fourth chapter, introduction to pneumatic system and actuators. Now we will go thoroughly for the chapter. Now pneumatic system element. That is the first point related to the our chapter. What is the pneumatics? Pneumatic, it is a branch of a fluid power. Fluid power is the main branch. It is divided into two types, hydraulics and pneumatics. In pneumatics, we will utilize the freely available air as a working medium. That air, it may contain different kinds of the gases also. That is, pneumatic is used to transmit the power from source to the destination. Now, what is the source? That is the, it may called as a compressors. That are the input energy producing devices. Transmit the power from source. Source, that is the input source. It may be a compressor in case of a pneumatics. In case of a hydraulics, pump. And the destination is nothing but the, yes, destination is the actuators, where we are converting the pressurized energy of the air into the mechanical energy. Input are the compressors. What is the use of compressor? They are converting mechanical energy into fluid pressure energy or air pressure energy, right? And actuator is nothing but the end element of the pneumatic system, where the fluid pressure energy is converted into mechanical energy. Then, due to easily availability of the air and it is a non-hazardous in nature, the pneumatic system it will be used widely, especially in industrial application as well as in a automation purpose. We are using the pneumatic systems, right? Pneumatic systems are used. Is it clearly visible now? Hello, is it visible?
Yeah. Yes, sir.
Okay, then write down the definition of the pneumatics. Pneumatics is the second branch of the fluid power which utilize freely available air as the working medium, that is to transmit the power from source to destination. Due to easy availability of the air and non-hazardous nature, pneumatic is found wide range of applications such as industrial as well as automation. Okay, now we are dealing with the advantages, limitations of the pneumatic system. Now, what are the advantages of pneumatic system? First advantage, that is the easily availability of the air. So whatever the air we are using, it will be a working medium for the pneumatic system. It will be easily and freely available anywhere, right? So in case of a pneumatic system, we are using air as a working medium. It will be easily and freely available anywhere. Second, that is a neat and clean system. As air is a working medium, the system is a very clean as compared to the hydraulics. That will an additional advantage. So it will highly applicable in case of the food preserving industries or food processing industries. Here, neat and clean system means as we are using the air, right, as a working medium in case of a pneumatic system. But in case of hydraulic system, we are using oil or liquid as a working medium. If due to certain reason there will be a leakage of the working fluid, right? In case of a hydraulic system, if the oil it will be leak out, it will spoil the food atoms. So in case of food processing industries, we are preferring pneumatic systems because here is a neat and clean system, right? Its leakage it does not spoil the food atoms. For that purpose, it will be used in a food processing industries. Third advantage, it is the exclusion proof characteristic of the ear. Means what? This characteristic of ear, it will make the pneumatic system more applicable in hazardous area. म्हणजे जिथं जिथं धोका आहे अशा ठिकाणी जर हायड्रॉलिक सिस्टीम हॅझार्डस धोका आहे अशा ठिकाणी आपण न्यूमॅटिक सिस्टीम यूज करू शकतो. सेकंड, easily transportable under the pressure. So air can be transmitted from one location to the another location under the pressure by using the common piping. So air can be easily transferable. Next advantage, there is a no reservoir is required or no return line is to be required because it is a simple one system. Because of that, it will become a simple and light in weight. A reservoir only require after the compressor. After that, it does not require the reservoir or no return line is required to feed the air in a reservoir, right? We may uh, throw out this air or spill out this air into atmosphere after the use. Next advantage, it is related with its a cost. Its a initial and operating cost. It will be a low. Pneumatic system, they are having lower initial as well as operating cost. Pneumatic system can be easier and quicker to maintain. This is the most important advantage as compared to the hydraulic system. And last one, it will be a simple in construction and a light in weight, so that such kind of a system, pneumatic system, can be used widely in industrial purpose as well as in a automation purpose. So these are the some of the advantages. Those are listed in a slide. That is the easy availability of air, clean system, neat system, exclusion proof characteristics, easily transportable, not requirement of a reservoir and return line, low initial and operating cost, easy to maintain, and one of the most important, that is the it will be simple in construction and light in weight. These are the some of the applications, sorry, some of the advantages of the pneumatic system. Write down these advantages of the pneumatic system. Whether screen is visible to all? Are you there?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Please reply whenever I am asking some question, so I will be able to judge that I am in a lecture. For many cases, I left the meeting. Is it over? Hello, is it over?
Yes, sir.
Can we move forward for the limitation? Hello.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
The limitations of the pneumatic system, we will think by considering the three parameters. First one, that is the pressure, second one, that is the accuracy, and third one, that is the pressurized air storage, right? As far as pressure is to be concerned, all kind of the pneumatic systems, they are operating up to a maximum pressure up to a 10 bar. It may ranges from 8 to 10 bar, which is a very less as compared to the hydraulic system. Those are operating at a pressure range from 400 to 500 bar, right? So the pneumatic system cannot be used where the high force requirement is to be required, right? High force application जिथं आहे अशा ठिकाणी तुम्ही न्यूमॅटिक सिस्टीम यूज करू शकत नाही. म्हणजे ज्या सिस्टीमची प्रेशर रिक्वायरमेंट ही 8 ते 10 बार आहे अशा ठिकाणीच तुम्ही न्यूमॅटिक सिस्टीम यूज करू शकता. 10 बार पेक्षा जर जास्त प्रेशरची रिक्वायरमेंट असेल then you go for the hydraulic system. This is the one of the most important limitations related to the pressure for the pneumatic system. Second one, is it audible?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Second, it is related with the accuracy. Due to the compressible nature of the air, because in case of a pneumatic system, we are using a air as a working medium, and to carry out certain kind of applications, right? We require the compressed air. As air is compressible and highly reliable, the accurate motions that cannot be obtained by using the pneumatic system, as that was well obtained by the hydraulic system. Here means the control on motion of the piston or the control on motion of the shaft of the motor, its movement was not accurately controlled by using the compressed air. In case of a pneumatic system, we are using a compressed air as a working medium. So because of the compressibility nature of the air, we cannot accurately control the any movement of the actuators, right? But in case of the hydraulics, we are using oil as a working medium, and it is incompressible in nature. Because of that, we can accurately perform each and every operations of the pneumatic system. Accuracyच्या बाबतीत काय लिमिटेशन आहे न्यूमॅटिक सिस्टीमचं पहा. न्यूमॅटिक सिस्टीम मध्ये आपण एअर यूज करतो आणि एअर ही कॉम्प्रेसिबल इन नेचर आहे आणि कॉम्प्रेसिबल असल्यामुळे आपल्याला काय कुठलेही ऑपरेशन परफॉर्म करताना तेवढी अॅक्युरसी न्यूमॅटिक सिस्टीमच्या बाबतीत मिळत नाही ऍज कम्पेअर टू द hydraulic system. The third limitation, it is related to the pressurized air storage. In pneumatics, air should be compressed and kept under a pressure at all the time, even though there is no load on a system. Here, in case of pneumatics, we are using a compressor. What is the use of compressor? It will compressing the air, and that compressed air you must have to store in one kind of a reservoir or storage tank even if there will be a no any load on a system. म्हणजे न्यूमॅटिक सिस्टीमच्या बाबतीत तुम्हाला स्टोरेज रिझर्वायर हा पाहिजे म्हणजे पाहिजे, कारण त्या स्टोरेज टँक मध्ये तुम्ही प्रेशरायझ्ड एअर कायमस्वरूपी ठेवावी लागते. जरी त्या सिस्टीमच्या सहाय्याने तुम्ही एखादं ऑपरेशन करा किंवा न करा, पण कॉम्प्रेस्ड एअर ही तुम्हाला स्टोरेज टँक मध्ये कायम ही ठेवावी लागते. Whereas in hydraulic, pressure is developed due to the external load. हायड्रॉलिक सिस्टीम मध्ये इनकॉम्प्रेसिबल फ्लुइड आहे, पण एखादं ऑपरेशन परफॉर्म करताना जे काही प्रेशर जनरेट होतं हे कशामुळे जनरेट होत होतं? बिकॉज ऑफ अ एक्सटर्नल लोड. So these are the certain limitations of the pneumatic system. If you discuss the first limitation, that is the pressure. In case of a pressure, there will be a limitation for a range of a pressure up to maximum 8 to 10 bar. Pneumatic system can be used, but beyond the 10 bar pressure operating pressure range, we cannot use the pneumatic system. Second one, that is related with the accuracy, as air is a compressible in nature. Air ही compress होते, त्याच्यामुळे accuracy ऑपरेशन मधली हायड्रॉलिक एवढी मिळत नाही याच्यामध्ये. आणि pressurized air storage is always required in case of a pneumatic system, because whatever the system elements they are operated, they are because of the pressurized air, and that pressurized air is to be obtained by the compressor. Pneumatic system मध्ये वर्किंग मीडियम जरी एअर असली तर हे अंडर प्रेशर आपण यूज करत असतो. त्याच्यामुळे जी काही प्रेशरायझड एअर आहे ही आपण एखाद्या रिझर्वायर मध्ये स्टोअर करतो. जरी सिस्टीम वरती कुठलं ऑपरेशन आपण परफॉर्म करू किंवा न करू, म्हणजे सिस्टीम इज अंडर लोड. when system under the loading condition at that time, or system under no load condition at that time also, we must have to store the compressed air in a reservoir. These are the limitations. Write down these limitations. First one, pressure up to maximum 8 to 10 bar for pneumatic system, and 400 to 500 bar for the hydraulic system. Second, accuracy. त्याच्यामध्ये लिहा, due to the compressible nature of air, the accurate motion cannot be obtained. The accurate motions cannot be obtained. Third, pressurized air storage. Pressurized air storage. In pneumatics, air should be compressed and kept under the pressure at all the times, even there is no load on the pneumatic system. Even there is no load on a pneumatic system. Therefore, in pneumatics, sufficient storage of the compressed air is to be kept all the times in the reservoir. Is it clear? Limitations of the pneumatic system. Hello.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. We'll take attendance now. A division students, write your roll number in chat box. Nikhil is there. Nihal, sorry, Nihal Mujawar. Nihal is there.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Akash, Akash Mani. Okay. Deep Jyoti
Yes,
Fate.
sir.
Okay. Deep Jyoti is there.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Prajwal is there. Ganesh Todkar is there.
Yes, sir.
Nihal, mute your phone. Nihal Mujawar, mute your phone. Okay. Yash Gadekar is there.
Yes, sir.
Where are you? Yash.
Present, sir.
Okay.
Present, sir.
Shraddha is there. Okay. Shraddha is there.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Milin.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Sachin.
Yes, sir. But actually, the roll number माझा roll number चुकलाय सर तो टाकायचा 49 आहे. मी खाली परत
किती आहे
टाकलाय
तुझं मग?
आणखीन एकदा. खाली टाकलाय आणखीन
59
एकदा
आहे
सर.
का?
49 आहे सर.
बरं 49. ठीक आहे.
हा.
ओके. दीपज्योती आहे. सौरभ.
येस सर, ते रोल
सौरभ
नंबर
पवार.
चुकीचं टाकलंय,
सोळा
दुसरं
पाहिजे का?
अजून एकदा टाकलंय. हा.
69 ना?
येस सर.
ओके. सूरज.
Yes, sir.
ओके. श्रेयस.
Yes, sir. Yes, present.
ओके. किरण.
Yes,
किरण
sir.
हंबीराव.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Where are you? Okay. कोमल.
Present, sir.
ओके. गणेश.
येस सर.
प्रवीण.
Present, sir.
पृथ्वीराज.
Present, sir.
ओके. सचिन.
Yes, sir.
ओके. अक्षय.
येस सर.
चैतन्य.
Yes, sir.
वाडेकर. ओके. सोहेल.
Yes, sir.
सोहेल शिकतर. हा.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
ओके. भारत.
Present, sir.
हा. ऋतुजा.
Yes, sir.
ओके. सुनील.
Present,
सुनील
sir.
साधू.
Present, sir.
ओके. निखिल.
Yes, sir.
सौरभ.
येस सर.
आकाश.
Yes, sir.
Okay. B division student, have you write your roll number in chat box? All B division students.
Sir,
Okay.
hello. Sir, roll number 58, sir. A division. The messages send होत नाही सर. फेल टू
बरं
सेंड
लिहून घेतो.
मिळतं. मागच्या लेक्चरचं पण असंच झालं. शायद म्हणजे
हो
प्रेझेंट
हो
राहिले
हो
वाटतं मागच्या लेक्चर पण.
हो
दुपारी
मागच्या
झालतं
लेक्चरला
बहुतेक.
58. राईट.
रोल नंबर
चालेल मी नोट
58
डाऊन
सर.
करतो.
हां,
हो.
थँक्यू.
सुशांत. सुशांत इज देअर. सुशांत जाधव. Hello. Sushant Jadhav is there. Akash.
Yes, sir.
Akash Mane. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay. Akash. Sushant Jadhav is there or not? Okay. He is present. Pratik.
Yes, sir.
Taruna Sarvade.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Rai.
Yes, sir.
Kadam. Nilesh Kadam.
Yes, sir.
Yogesh.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Akash. Akash Asgar.
Yes, sir.
Okay. I think Pratik. Pratik is there. Pratik Deshmukh.
Yes, sir.
Pratik. Okay. आणि लास्ट विनायक बापट.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay, these are the advantages. We in this lecture we are covered what is the pneumatics, introduction to the pneumatics, then what are the advantages of pneumatics, then we discuss the limitations of the pneumatics. Now we will discuss comparison between hydraulics and pneumatics, right? If you are considering, just we will discuss this comparison. I don't have prepared that slide. Directly air compressor, that element is to be starting. If you are considering the energy carrier system or working medium is to be concerned, pneumatic मध्ये working medium काय असेल राजांनो? एअर, राईट. आणि हायड्रोलिक मध्ये ऑइल किंवा लिक्विड. आता एनर्जी कन्व्हर्जन एलिमेंट कुठला असेल न्यूमॅटिक्स मध्ये?
Air compressor.
एअर कॉम्प्रेसर, राईट. आणि हायड्रोलिक्स मध्ये
Pump.
हायड्रोलिक पंप. व्हेरी गुड. प्रेशर रेंज काय न्यूमॅटिक साठीची? मॅक्झिमम आताच लिहिले आपण आहे स्लाइड वरती 8 ते 10 बार आहे, बरोबर आहे का? म्हणजे मॅक्झिमम किती आहे? 10 बार, अप टू 10 बार, राईट. आणि हायड्रॉलिक्स अप टू 500 बार. फोर्स ऑफ ऍप्लिकेशन हा जर पॅरामीटर कन्सिडर केला तर न्यूमॅटिक मध्ये मॅग्निट्यूड ऑफ फोर्स काय असतो? किती लागणार आहे? 10 बार एवढंच ऑपरेटिंग प्रेशर आहे न्यूमॅटिकचं. त्याच्यामुळं application of force and that force magnitude it must be a lower one, right? If you are considering the force application, then we may write low force magnitude is required in case of pneumatics and higher magnitude of force is to be required in case of a hydraulics. Accuracy in motion pneumatic च्या बाबतीत कसे कमी आहे. आपण हा पॉइंट पाहिला आता लिमिटेशन्स मध्ये. accuracy, right? Accuracy in motion it will be less in case of pneumatic. Why it is happening? का कमी accuracy मिळते आपल्याला न्यूमॅटिकच्या बाबतीत? हॅलो, हॅलो.
So due to compressible nature.
Okay, as air is in a compressible in nature, because of that we are getting less accuracy in motion or operation as compared to the hydraulics. Very good. Regarding the operations by using pneumatic and hydraulic, if you are concerned, the pneumatic systems are easy to operate, right? As they are operating at a low pressure. So hydraulic systems are operating at a high pressure range. Because of that, they are somewhat difficult to operate in nature, right? म्हणजे न्यूमॅटिक सिस्टीम्स ह्या लो प्रेशरला ऑपरेट होत असतात, त्याच्यामुळे त्याचे ऑपरेशन्स आहेत हे सिंपल टू ऑपरेट असतात, राईट? न्यूमॅटिक सिस्टीम्स दीज आर simple to operate, and hydraulic systems are difficult to operate. Why it is? Because hydraulic systems are operating at a higher pressure. A reservoir, in case of the pneumatic system, we require only one single reservoir for whole system. म्हणजे कॉम्प्रेसर नंतर एकच रिझर्वायर असतो, टँक असतो, स्टोरेज टँक. मात्र हायड्रॉलिक सिस्टीम मध्ये आपल्याला वेगवेगळ्या लोकेशनला वेगवेगळे रिझर्वायर देखील माउंट करता येतात. इन केस ऑफ अ pneumatic system, we are having one single reservoir for all kind of operations or all kind of the hydraulic circuit. N number of pneumatic circuit, we have only one compressed air tank. But in case of hydraulics, for n number of hydraulic circuit, we require separate hydraulic reservoir, or it may be called as the accumulators, right? Maintenance, if you are considering maintenance as a parameter, as we see in advantages, that is the pneumatic systems are easier and quicker. So system is a neat and clean, so maintenance is a less in case of a pneumatics. In case of hydraulics, maintenance is a time consuming and somewhat complex in case of the hydraulics. If you are considering next parameter, it is related with the lubrication, right? In case of hydraulic system, we are using oil as a working medium, so all kind of hydraulic systems are the self lubricating system. But in case of a pneumatics, we carried out the lubrication as a air lubrication, because some lubricating oil, it will be mixed with the air. Some amount of a lubricating oil, it will be mixed with the air, so that air lubrication is to be carried out in case of a pneumatics. And in case of hydraulics, as we are using oil as a working system, so the hydraulic systems are the self lubricating in nature. If you are considering related with the cost, it may be a initial cost and operating cost. The pneumatic systems, they are having low initial and operating cost as compared to the hydraulic system. These are the some comparative points. Those are differentiating pneumatic system from the hydraulic system. कुठले कुठले पॉइंट पाहिले पहा आपण. Just we will take a recap or recall about the comparative points. First one, that is a working medium, ज्याच्यामध्ये एअर आणि ऑइल. एनर्जी कन्व्हर्जन एलिमेंट, त्याच्यामध्ये कॉम्प्रेसर आणि पंप. प्रेशरची रेंज 10 बार, 500 ते 700 बार. फोर्स मॅग्निट्यूड न्यूमॅटिक साठी कमी लागतो आणि हायड्रॉलिक साठी जास्त पाहिजे. ॲक्युरसीच्या बाबतीत म्हटलं तर लेस ॲक्युरसी इन न्यूमॅटिक्स बिकॉज ऑफ एअर कॉम्प्रेसिबल असते. ऑपरेशन बघितलं तर स्मॉल प्रेशरला ऑपरेट होती न्यूमॅटिक सिस्टीम, त्याच्यामुळे ऑपरेशन हे इझी असतं आणि कंट्रोलेबल असतं. रिझर्वायरच्या बाबतीत बघितलं तर एक सिंगल रिझर्वायर सफिशियंट असतो ऑल काइंड ऑफ न्यूमॅटिक सर्किट साठी. मेंटेनन्सच्या बाबतीत बघितलं तर इझी असतं मेंटेनन्स करण्यासाठी. एअर ही क्लीन आणि नीट अँड क्लीन सिस्टीम असते न्यूमॅटिक सिस्टीम, त्याच्यामुळे मेंटेनन्स हा सिंपल आणि इझी असतो. हायड्रॉलिक मध्ये ऑइल आपण यूज करतो वर्किंग मीडियम, त्याच्यामुळे जो काय मेंटेनन्स आहे हा टाइम कन्झ्युमिंग असतो. लुब्रिकेशन जर पॅरामीटर आपण कन्सिडर केला तर न्यूमॅटिक सिस्टीम मध्ये एअर लुब्रिकेशन होतं. एअर लुब्रिकेशन म्हणजे काय, एअर मध्ये सम अमाऊंट ऑफ ऑइल आपण मिक्स करतो. आणि हायड्रॉलिकच्या बाबतीत ऑइलच वर्किंग मीडियम असतं, त्याच्यामुळं सेल्फ लुब्रिकेटिंग सिस्टीम असते हायड्रॉलिक सिस्टीम. अँड लास्ट वन, कॉस्टच्या बाबतीत इनिशियल आणि ऑपरेटिंग कॉस्ट हा जर डिफरन्स कन्सिडर केला तर न्यूमॅटिक सिस्टीम they will require low initial and operating cost as compared to the hydraulic system. Is it clear? Is it clear to everyone?
Yes, sir.
Hello. So in this lecture we are cover the introductory part of the hydraulic system, pneumatic system. That is a pneumatic system, advantages, limitations, then comparison between hydraulic and pneumatic system. What are the applications of the pneumatic system? Could you use Karal? It will be used in industry for different carried out different operations, right? At the same time, it will be utilized to carry out the automations in case of the industry. So industrial applications and automation purpose, we are using the pneumatic system. So in this way, we will cover the first bit, that is the pneumatic system, its advantages, limitations, applications, and comparison. In next lecture, we will study the symbols. Those are used in pneumatic circuit, and we will directly start the actuators in case of a pneumatic, that is the cylinder and motor. Its working, its a construction, its a types, construction and working, we will cover in a next lecture. So for today's lecture, I think it is sufficient. So from next lecture on Wednesday, we will start with the ISI symbols for the pneumatics and the actuators. Thank you. We will stop over here. Thank you. Thank you very much. Rupesh, are you there?